Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your App Store region to Japan. First, it's crucial to confirm you have no active subscriptions, pre-orders, or remaining store credit on your current Apple ID. Once that's clear, open the Settings app on your device. Then, tap on your Apple ID banner located at the very top of the Settings menu. From there, select Media and Purchases to proceed with the initial steps of this process. Next, tap on View Account and authenticate your Apple ID using your password, Face ID, or Touch ID if your device prompts you. Once authenticated, scroll down through your account settings until you find the Country/Region option. Tap on this to access the menu specifically designed for altering your store location. Finally, select the clear option that states Change Country or Region to move forward. Now, from the comprehensive list of available countries, carefully select Japan as your desired App Store region. It is essential to thoroughly review the new terms and conditions specific to the Japanese App Store. You must explicitly agree to these terms to successfully continue with the region change. Furthermore, be prepared to provide a valid Japanese payment method and a local billing address to complete this step. Finally, accurately fill in all the required billing information, which includes providing a valid Japanese address and a local phone number. Then, choose your preferred payment method from the options presented, such as a credit card or a mobile payment service. Tap Next or Done to finalize these changes and save your new region settings. Your App Store will then refresh, displaying content and applications specific to the Japanese region.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.